Hey YouTube subscribers, how you guys doing? Welcome to Trade Confident, where on this channel I live trade crypto on every single video. And today you guys are up about 20% on Matic. So great job for all of you who are subscribed, who are following along. And we're going to go over this coin. First, I'm going to go over the breaking news, and then we'll go over where I think we're going to head. But first of all, just a round of applause for all of you guys who are subscribed and following, trying to say both words in once. You guys are up a great amount today. All right, Bitcoin, Matic, Theta, price analysis, June 14th. I know this is one day late, but I do want to point this out because this is what a lot of people are looking at. It was a high-ranking article on Google. So MACD's bullish crossover was a step in the right direction in terms of a breakout. Great. However, RSI was restricted below the 50 at the time of writing, suggesting that Matic could face some stiff opposition as it attempts to climb north in the coming days. Okay, so if you guys know anything about the trend dashboard, if you are above the 50 point and you guys are above the center point for the stochastic, the RSI, or the MACD, that is when this actually gives us a green signal. So that actually has happened, and we are extremely bullish on the trend dashboard, which means the price is going to be going up. We have not, full disclosure here, guys, we have not actually hit the sell limit yet. Obviously, I'm going to be leaving it there. At the moment, traders, you guys are up 19.21%. So those of you who have been following with me, make sure you guys are definitely over at tradeconfident.io, simply because this is where the trade calls are made. So if you guys come over here to Matic, which I believe is on the second page here, trading the top 15 cryptocurrencies on tradeconfident.io. Make sure you guys are over there. Where is Matic? Where are you, little bugger? I think it's probably down here a little bit. Polygon, there we go. Cool. So if you guys have been following me on Matic, this is the last trade call I made. I haven't done too much for Matic, actually kind of, but I called this. The trade is currently up 10.66%. Great job for everyone who decided to follow this trade. I'm keeping the sell limit where it is at for now. As I just mentioned, if anything happens, I'll update you guys. So I did have the sell limit up here quite a bit higher when I originally called this trade up here to $1.98 at the $2 psychological level. But I was seeing a lot of bearish movement and a lot of shorts coming out on Bitcoin, so that's why I moved this down a little bit. And hey, guess what? Today we are probably going to be hitting our sell limit, and you guys will take home on this trade, minus fees and all that good stuff, probably about 20.63%. Now, if you guys are trading this, Binance and Coinbase, those fees are usually about 0.50% in and out. So minus 1% here for fees. We'll call this 19.63. But depending on whatever you guys are trading on, I'm just going to keep it with what I know here is 20.63, and you can figure out the fees on your end. So let's go over, obviously we won this trade, guys. Like, this is amazing. If we don't hit this, I'll be very surprised, but I think we'll probably hit this within the next 3 to 4 hours. Again, subscribe to this channel, and I'll keep the live trades coming so you guys can take profit on, you guys can take advantage of all the profit that I'm calling on this channel. What does 20% do to your portfolio? Something fun to think about today. So obviously the trend dashboard is extremely bullish, as well as the price versus the well money flow. But oh my goodness, look at this over here. We are due for a move down on the trend exhaustion as well as the money flow. Let me give you some proof of why I think this is going to happen based off past relationship with these two indicators. When we've seen a really strong trend move up to the top of the red zone up here, this is when we've seen big drops. And yeah, like this drop was pretty huge. It was a total percentage drop here of about 26%. Like, that's a big deal. We have not currently got to that height yet, but 26% is not bad. When we got up to this point up here, we did see a little bit of a drop down. I'll pull candle high to wick low here is 16%. So 16 to 20% moves down. Obviously, when we got up over here to the top, we saw a huge drop, and we haven't got to the top red point up here all year. So that is pretty neat. We might have hit it once over here. We hit it once over here on May 29th, and even over here we saw a nice drop back down. So what's the point of, I'm not trying to drag this on, 27% there. It's when we see the trend exhaustion get up to these top levels. Not financial advice, guys, but it's where I personally look to take profit and sell. Like, these indicators you need on your chart, not just because they look fancy and fun, but they're telling us like what's going to happen in the market before it actually happens. Now, these indicators, I am going to up the price of them on July 1st. July 1st. June and July, mess me up. July 1st, I am up in the prices, so make sure you guys get them in the description. Take a look at that. Trend dashboard, all green now, incredibly bullish. We are going to hit the sell limit, most likely today, next 3 to 4 hours. Let's end the video with this. So the price versus the whale money flow, this is extremely high here. Now, the whales love to buy, but whales love to sell too and take profit. This has not had a nice pullback for a higher low. So low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low formation. Probably going to put us somewhere in the middle of this entry to sell limit. So this is kind of obvious, but if you guys are in this trade, it's not a bad idea if you want. You don't have to wait till the sell limit is hit. You can look to just take some profit right now. Exit the trade and you guys are going to take home about 19% here, 19.57%. If you guys want to hold out, that's great, but 19% is amazing for a single trade you guys followed on a YouTube channel and you guys are following over at tradeconfident.io. Now, if we hit this trade and we end up taking the sell limit today, which I'm pretty sure we will, then I will close this trade out, I'll report the profits, and then right back on this exact same page, if you guys go to the home and you don't see it on the home page, that's fine. Go to the search engine up here, and then you guys can go to, where is it? Polygon, yes. You guys can go to Polygon, and then the next trade will actually be at the top here. So all the past trades are going to be kept on here, and where you see live, it's going to say done, and it's going to show the percentage that we won, and then the next trade is going to be posted here. Like I said, it's currently blocked, but it's a free membership. Like, sign up and follow all the trades that you guys want. So congrats, guys. You're up 19.57% today. I do think we'll hit this sell limit here very, very soon. Take profit, add it to the other trades that we have won on this channel so far. I'm keeping you guys updated with all of that. Remember, tradeconfident.io. The new tab up here at the top here is called Performance, and you guys will see this. So we just won Bitcoin the other day for 15.14%. Great job for everyone who was following. And then you guys can also click the link here and see exactly how the trade started from beginning to end and how I managed it. All right, guys. God bless you. Have an amazing day. You are doing fantastic if you are subscribed and following this channel. You're making very good money. And I'll see you guys on the next live trading video. Bye-bye, guys.